on your skin.
नो, स्किन पे क्यों लिखना आपने? आप स्किन पे जो लिखोगे तो वो दूसरों को नजर आएगा, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि यू आर एक्सपोजिंग योर प्राइवेसी.
I found cybersecurity.
ओके, विल टॉक अबाउट लेटर. तो अभी जो है ना हम बात
How do you spell security?
SECURITY. ओके, सो दैट्स आवर टॉपिक. तो आज से हमें इशाल ज्वाइन कर रही है साइबर सिक्योरिटी के पॉडकास्ट के लिए, और हम बात करेंगे कि साइबर सिक्योरिटी में बच्चों को क्या पता होना चाहिए, और इशाल को जितना भी इस पे नॉलेज है वो हमें हेल्प आउट करेंगी, ताकि हमारी ये बात जो है वो मैक्सिमम जो है वो बच्चों तक पहुंच सके. Am I right?
Yeah.
ओके, तो आप बताएं कि आपको कितना नॉलेज है साइबर सिक्योरिटी?
I never give anybody your privacy.
Loudly.
And like never give anybody your privacy. Like if someone was like saying that your car has some problems, and he went and then he went through some severe issues, and he pretend that he was a professional at that.
Okay.
So if you would let him, he would probably get that severe issues.
Okay.
Like the car was fine and he lied to you, and then when he said you're in the car and then you didn't even know in the back trunk, and then he made that severe.
Okay.
And then he just said you can go now.
Yeah. Okay. तो हम अभी जो है ना हम इसको स्पेसिफिकली एक टॉपिक पे बात करते हैं कि रिमेम्बर कि लास्ट वीक में हमें एक मैसेज आया था कि यू विन द लॉटरी, राइट, एंड प्लीज शेयर योर इंफॉर्मेशन सो दैट वी कैन सेंड मनी टू योर अकाउंट. तो इस तरह के मैसेज पे हमें फिर क्या करना चाहिए?
You should not send it, and you should be like careful.
Okay. तो क्या पता वाकई लॉटरी निकली हो.
Well, so we would check on our own.
Oh, okay.
Like we would just say okay. Like we don't have to send him something. But you can just say okay, just wait for a minute. Don't say that I'm checking, or else he's gonna do like another trick you might not know.
Okay, so these people trick on our mind. That's how they do the bad things, right?
Yeah.
Okay. तो आप क्या लिख रही हो? हाँ?
So I'm writing that our topic is cybersecurity, and a car, for example, and also that people trick our mind to get money.
Okay.
And they also and get our like privacy.
Oh. Okay. तो आपको पता है ना कि आपके बाबा जो हैं वो साइबर सिक्योरिटी में काम करते हैं. I help my company so that we can protect our customers from bad guys. So you feel proud?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. So अभी और इस पे साइबर सिक्योरिटी पे व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, लाइक आपको इसमें और क्या लगता है कि जो छोटे बच्चे हैं how we can train them so that they can't be vulnerable?
Some people do not work as cybersecurity like you do. So this video is just for the little kids to help.
Oh.
It's like it's when kids should never ever talk to a no caller ID of someone.
Oh, yeah, that's a good advice. Yeah,
Yes,
that's a good advice.
Bad
Because they
guys-
can trick you, कि भाई I will give you chocolate.
No, yeah, and
Huh?
yeah, they can also do like I trick you that I'm your mom, and they can do the same voice.
Oh my goodness. So they can do like this?
Yeah.
Oh, then we can say, oh, this is my mom, so we can share like where the important documents are. We can expose all the information.
Yeah, but if we told our real mom, the solution would be like if we told his real mom that all the documents, he wouldn't have to say it again, right? So he'll just button the phone and do it.
Okay.
He's saying bye. And if you call no caller ID and the mom, you should like quickly bund it because he would probably be taking your money somehow if you do like this. Let me go search. Then I'll go search to. I have to go to the bathroom and wait.
Okay. So we definitely should make some videos for the awareness of little kids. Is that?
Yeah.
तो आप लिखने पे क्यों फोकस कर रही हो? आप फिर बताओ ना.
So it's just that just to get the hints, and then when we're done, all the hints will go into an answer.
Oh, okay.
So this is the big question.
Okay.
Big question.
Okay, got it.
How to be safe.
How to be safe?
Be safe from them.
Yeah, this is the biggest question in today's life, right? Because everybody is connected with the internet. फिर ये है कि वो apps use कर रहे हैं, फिर ये है कि strangers को trick करते हैं, bad messages आती हैं. It's so much threat.
It's like the big question, the big question is how to be safe. Like this is the topic about cybersecurity and cars, for example. That's not a hint. And this is the hint. Bad people trick our mind to get money and privacy. Bad people trick you so you can say password, like password.
Yeah.
Where you live.
Correct.
Live and money.
And steal money.
Okay.
तो ऐसा करते हैं ना, हम इसको थोड़ा सा सिंपल कर लेते हैं. You have enough knowledge, you know so many things about cyber security. तो जिनके लिए स्टार्ट है उनके लिए फिर मुश्किल होगा ना कि किस तरह से.
So they can just don't call any no caller ID if they say that.
Okay. And they should
not even their relatives, because some bad guy might have already figured out the username.
Exactly.
And
that's true. तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल मसला है शाल. This is a very serious problem.
Yeah, just don't call anyone. Just don't call anyone. If there's like a ring, only your parents can.
I think जो हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं ना जो पे, तो विशाल हम इससे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं कि जो ये सारे टीनेजर्स हैं या किड्स हैं,
they can just know that do not call anyone.
No, I think the first thing maybe like they should ask permission first from their parents.
Yeah, also, but they don't really have to, because if their parents were already there and they say there's a caller, the parent can say, can you give it to me?
तो आपने ये सारी चीजें फिर कैसे सीखेंगे?
It's because you know that because if the parents gave permission to the child, he would probably cry if he said, I'm going to give you chocolate, and then the parents can say no.
Yeah. तो फिर आपने how did you learn all so many things? Huh?
From like I experience.
Experience? Okay. That's good. So how
And
other
paid very attention to your work.
Oh, okay. So you
Without me using me.
without
Using me very sneakily.
oh so
And very sneaky and stealth is good for bad guys.
yeah.
Sneaky and stealth are
So how you
good for bad guys.
right? So how you want to help the community to make sure like everyone is safe from bad guys?
Like you know, don't call like let it handle to the polices, but just to be safe, don't call no caller ID and don't say any passwords to anyone in the world. They are because not even your relatives.
So what is your iPad password?
I can't tell you.
You already know that.
It's something 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 something.
Oh.
Muhammad Rizwan something. It's not even the password.
So Ishal knows the basics of cybersecurity. Yeah?
I know
Very
what
good.
it is.
ओके तो आई थिंक इसको फिर हम आज यहीं पे कंक्लूड करते हैं कि दैट वाज वेरी इनफॉर्मल डिस्कशन बिटवीन मी एंड इशाल तो इशाल जो है वो इस तरह से मज़ीद जो है वो स्टोरीज मज़ीद जो है वो हम टॉपिक्स प्रिपेयर करके आएंगे तो हमारा गोल ये होगा कि हम दूसरों को बता सकें कि हाउ सीवियर दिस इशू इज ऑफ साइबरसिक्योरिटी
and we also got all of our hints. So the big answer, right? You can pause this video so that you can think in your head, and you can pause it right here. And then when you unpause it, you can see the answer.
Right. So you can reply us in the comment section, right?
Yeah.
So Vishal can reply. We both can reply over there, so we can talk to each other.
Yeah, and if you really wanna figure out the answer by just me telling you, this is for some of you that you don't have to see this. You don't have to see this, but it's actually, I'll give you a hint. It's with it's because it is because of the it's because of the letter C. The answer only to figure out this is because of the C.
Very intelligent. Okay. So I think
Think carefully.
Yeah, I think the only big thing is like always think deeply and
also never call no caller ID and your relative because that ID.
Why you are more focusing on non-caller ID? I mean, there are so many other things, but you are focusing more on non-caller ID.
Exactly.
Is something happened bad with you?
No, that's just for the beginners.
Oh, beginners. Oh, yeah.
This is just a beginner show.
Okay. So thank you, Sean. I think we can prepare more topics on that. So thank you guys. अपना ख्याल रखें, दूसरों का ख्याल रखें, खुश रखें. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
And also that means be happy, and everybody has to be happy and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And the English translation.